Thank you for joining us for yet another unboxing video, and today we have the Twilight Creations game, Dante's Inferno, a strategy board game by Twilight Creations. Dante's Inferno is a tile-based strategy game for 3 to 6 players based on the literary classic. The object of this game is to rescue enough sinners resources to gain entry into the 9th circle of hell and defeat Lucifer, all the while preventing the other players from doing so first. This box contains everything needed to play: game tiles, tracking cards, and also other good stuff that's in here. This was released by Twilight Creations in 2003. So, let's crack this bad boy open and see what's on the inside. Start with the rulebook. Background for the game. Contents, overview, board description, your setup, turn sequence, fighting demons, rolling the dice, those are the dice, take actions, action costs, place a new tile, flip a tile, place a new player token, move to an adjacent tile in the same circle, move another player to an adjacent space in the same circle, move one of your player's tokens to the next circle. Reroll one die, move one of your player tokens one space, move a demon one space, creating resources, winning the game. First player to make it to the 9th circle and defeat Lucifer wins. Again, created in 2000, it was released in 2003 by Twilight Creations game. That is your rulebook. Yes, as it says in there, those are your dice. These are your tiles. These are your fronts. Nothing in the back of that one. Six, 8, 5, 6. 10, 11. 6, 10. 5, 10. 1, 2. 2, 1. 6, 11. 5, 9. 11, 11. 6, 9. 3, 4. 5, 8. 3, 4. 8, 5. 3, 4. 5, 10. 3, 4. 3, 8. 1, 2. 5, 11. 3, 4. 8, 4. 1, 2. 4, 9. 1, 2. 9, 5. 1, 2. That seems to be all the yellow tiles. Next is the red tiles. 6, 10. 1, 2. 5, 10. 1, 2. 6, 11. 1, 2, 9, 5, 1, 2, 6, 8, 5, 6, 4, 3, 7, 8, 4, 9, 1, 2, 8, 4, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 5, 11, 4, 3, 4. That's some of the red. As I say, let's keep going. 5, 10, 3, 4, 8, 5, 3, 4, 5, 8, 3, 4, 6, 9, 3, 4, 11, 11, 5, 6, and 5, 9. It's 5, 6, back. Then we got yellow, red. Now we got green. 5, 10, 3, 4, 5, 11, 3, 4, 3, 8, 1, 2, 8, 4, 1, 2, 4, 9, 1, 2, 9, 5, 1, 2, 6, 11, 1, 2, 5, 10, 1, 2, 6, 10, 1, 2, 5, 8, 3, 4, 6, 9, 3, 4, 11, 11, 5, 6, 5, 9, 5, 6, 6, 8, 5, 6, 4, 3, 7, 8, 8, 5, 3, 4. And the blue tiles. 8, 4, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 5, 11, 3, 4, 5, 10, 3, 4, 8, 5, 3, 4, 5, 8, 3, 4, 6, 9, 3, 4, 11, 11, 5, 6, 5, 9, 5, 6, 6, 8, 5, 6, 10, 11, 7, 8, 6, 10, 1, 2, 5, 10, 1, 2, 6, 11, 1, 2, 9, 5, 1, 2, 4, 9, 1, 2. And the last tiles, it's a black set of tiles. Plus 8, 5, 9, plus 8, 5, 6, plus 1, 3, 4, plus 1, 3, 4, plus 1, 3, 4, plus 1, 3, 4, plus 6, 7, 8, plus 8, 5, 6, plus 8, 5, 6, plus 6, 7, 8, plus 6, 7, 8, plus 6, 7, 8, plus 9, 1, 2, plus 9, 1, 2. Plus 9, 1, 2. Plus 9, 1, 2. Okay. And we got some tokens here. They look like pieces of a puzzle. Like you're going to create something. It's a blank one. Piece looks like a devil's horn. Yeah, looks like you're creating a devil. This is ×2. Not quite sure. It's a blank one. See? Looks like a devil's face. So maybe that's what you're doing. You're going to create the devil before he appears, maybe. I'm not sure. Anyway, that's those. And last but not least, we have a tremendous amount of figures. All are pretty much the same. You have your orange heroes. All of them look like that. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like you get 6 orange. Painted a couple of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red. Again, each figure's the same. Nice detail on them. So you get 6 green. Six yellow. Six blue. Six white. And you get your demon figures. A small demon. Like a snake woman. Another demon. So looks like you have a couple more of these snake demons. So you have 4 of those. Four of these. 4 of these. It's 4 of the smaller winged guys. For the larger winged guys. And the devil himself. And there you have it. Everything that's included in... Oh, forgot one other thing. Almost. And your cards. Nothing's on the back. They are all the same. So each level, lust is yellow, gluttony is blue, violence is red, hypocrisy is green. So action cost, move 1 space at any 1 color, reroll 1 die, 1 of each color. Buy 1 tile. Move opponent 1 space. Flip 1 tile. Buy 1 player token. Move to next circle. There you have it. Numbers go from 1 to 9 on each color. And there you have it. That's everything now, included in the board game Dante's Inferno, a strategy board game by Twilight Creations. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, give us a like, put down a comment, and subscribe to our page. Again, thank you for joining us. Be safe, be well, enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll catch you on the next unboxing video. Have a great day.